All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little back-to-back here. We just came off the R9T. If you haven't seen the first ride of the R9T Racer on track, head over and check out that video. I just had a blast on that thing. Today's a sad day. You guys may have seen the collection is having some changes. The 2020 BMW is leaving the collection already. So if you haven't seen that video, please head over and see that. So we just came off that, but right now what we are doing is we have our vest on. We're heading out on track. We're gonna do a little coaching. We're gonna be on the MT-09. Look at how nice this, beautiful this MT-09. Some mods that we've done. We've got our nice blinker change in the back, in the rear, in the front. We do have our new MRA double bubble windscreen. And of course, Bogno says, I want some pink. So I got to deal with the pink, guys. I got to deal with it. But let's head out on the Screaming Banshee and do a little bit of patrolling. See if we can't snag us a little. Oh, Jesus Christ, this thing is so mean. So let's go see if we can't catch us a little instruction. But mainly we just, as always, I like to go out, just do a little patrolling, make sure everyone's abiding by the rules. We'll be in the B- group for about a 15-minute session. So when you come to Cali Trackdays, you get stuff like this, instructors in the middle of the flippin' road teaching people. Hell yeah. Instructor Corral is always here. Such a great day, guys. Nearly sold out. Few B+ spot groups left, but nothing major. Ooh, MT-10. What? Bogna's like screaming. She saw another blacked out one and she's like, I want. So let's see what's happening out here in the B- group on the Banshee. It's been a very nice day. I'm enjoying the day. Back here at Thunderhill. July 1st, baby. We got the 4th of July weekend coming up. What are you guys' plans? Well, now, you know what? Let's rephrase the comment. What did you guys do for the 4th of July? You guys will see this after the 4th of July. So how was your guys' day? So we'll take this a little bit easy. All right, get some heat in the tires. What a different ride from that 9T. Get in on this thing, it's so crazy. It's such a crazy thing to be on this thing now. Because that's like the polar opposite, the exact opposite of what this bike is about. So crazy. Like I feel uncomfortable on this bike now, and I've always, as you guys know, I always love this bike. But it's all right. Just got to get a little adjustment. That's what happens when you have 7 bikes in the collection and you ride from a 300 to an MT-09 to a BMW S1000RR down to a cafe racer. What? The Screaming Banshee's in full effect, and that's Mark with 2 bros in front of us. What's up, Mark? Up. We've got up. We're good. Mark with 2 bros. I'm gonna give you a little taste. You know, he's got me. He's gonna take off. I'll get him on the brakes. I'm gonna give them a little taste of what our eardrums sound like out here on this Screaming Banshee. But thanks, Mark, for blowing our eardrums out. Here's a little taste. So we're on a different riding position, so I just figured that one out. Gotta get that out. This mirror, gotta get some new mirrors. So I forgot that we're in a different riding position with this bike because we're so upright. Oh, he's going way wide down there. So we're staying a little too far upright. So I gotta get over because of the bike and center of gravity and you know, all that shit. I gotta get that cafe changed GP shift stat because going back and forth is just throwing me off. So no passing here. That's fine. We'll get them up to 9. Everyone's looking like they're riding right, riding respectful. So today's been good. We've had 2 minor mishaps. We're just about at lunch. So that's great. That's great to be able to report that. Bogdan says I always curse myself, but I love it. I'm optimistic that, oh man, I'm optimistic, you know. Get in here, guys, sorry. And such a different feel. Like that cafe is so crazy forward and crazy over, and the body position on this is such a different feel, and the gearing and the power, and it's just, that cafe racer's fun, but man, it's just such a different bike to hop from, you know, that to, it's kind of like the GSX-R 1000 to the BMW S1000. I know you guys are like, what are you talking about? You know, to go from a bike with no traction control and no ABS and it's all on me, to a bike that is like, does it all for you and is very non-invasive. I really love the BMW S1000 to 2015. Scooch by him. Yeah, I really love the 2015, and so I used to have to ride the GSX-R in the morning and then the BMW in the afternoon because I couldn't go the opposite way, because it was kind of like going from that R9T to this thing, you know. It's like such a different riding style and such just a different, just such different. I almost, and you guys will be shocked to hear this, I almost don't like how the MT rides now. it's so loose and goose, and it's just so loosey. The steering damper isn't there. The front end's so wobbly. It's so loose. It's just crazy. It's an animal, but it's just so loose, and I've grown to be okay with it. But when you start to ride a really nice tight bike, it's a little bit different to go into this. So I guess this is like relearning the MT-09 all over again. And there's my toe and knee, both scraping everywhere. So we're back down at Buttonwillow on July 29th. You guys will have seen this by then. If you guys are down in the LA area and you guys want to head out to a Cali Trackdays, remember, all of our days are only $100. You get free coaching, free coffee and pastry in the morning, free classroom, and on track all day long. Can't beat it for $100. And we're very street oriented. So we really are looking for those street guys, non-racers. So if you're looking for a track day organization that is non-competitive, this is the track day for you. Yep, that made that work. That's sweet. We talk about safe passing. There's a good example. You know, he's got a higher pace, but he made sure it's nice and safe. So again, Cali Trackdays, what we're all about here is really making sure things are safe and whatnot. See a couple of two-wheel track day guys. Good to see some SoCal people heading up here. Thanks for the love and support to make the trip all the way up here. I think there was a whole group of guys that came up from the SoCal area. So we appreciate again the support. But we'll be back down there, and then we're back up here in September. September 16th, NorCal guys, calling all the NorCal guys. September 16th, we'll be back here at Thunderhill Raceway. And then back in October for our final end of the season. I think mid-October in Buttonwillow. So we got 3 more events. Yep. So let's see what kind of yellow we got. You okay? Huh? You good? Okay. So we're gonna get off and back on. Chris is our control. Thank you, Chris. I thought that was Mark from Two Bros earlier, but didn't look like Mark. So he probably came up over 5 and went off the side a little bit. 5 can get you, especially if you're new to the track. Kind of go up and it's a quick turn, so you got to kind of get it turned real quick. So if you don't, you go off to the right, and hopefully you don't crash like he didn't. So that was good. Saved it, bro. But I think we had our checkered out. Yes, I see a checkered. So that'll be the end of the session. So, you know, this is really, really a great day. I mean, this is, look, we've been out here. We've got great riding. B-. We didn't have to talk to nobody. Like, what? What's happening? Who are you people? What a great day. I have, if you guys could see the smile on my face right now, these are the days that track day organizations dream of. That just everything, all the bricks fall into place and the mortar and everything is just so absolutely perfect. And it's just been that day pretty much. The mirror's screwed up. This is what we've been hoping for, to be able to build this organization to be just this. Non-competitive, safe, and just all around just a blast of a time with minimal crashes, minimal issues. Just a great, great, great day. Woo! Excuse me guys. Well, I don't know, I've got a huge smile on my face. I'm heading to my pits after just a wonderful session. Eddie with Shred Dog's out today. Did you just see that guy? Eddie with Shred Dog is out doing some instruction for us today. Love that man. I have the biggest smile on my face right now, guys. I do. I'm gonna go tell Bogna how happy I am. Babe, I'm so happy right now. It's just such a great day. So you want the good news or the bad news? What's the good news? I really like that thing on track.
What's the bad news?
I really don't like this thing on track anymore. Really? It moves so much. That thing was so planted. This thing moves so much. I know. Well, guys, we are heading out. I know you guys wanted to see me on the R3, so I'm gonna head out on the R3. So I'm gonna be out on the R3 later today. And then, of course, if you guys haven't seen the final ride for the BMW, the 2020, I will have a session to say goodbye to the 2020 S1000 today. So stay tuned for that. And then R9T. And of course, we'll be out on the 2015, maybe even next. So stay tuned. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button and smashing that like button. But until next time, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next video.